A is for apple, red and sweet, crunchy and yummy, what a treat. Say with me, apple. B is for ball, round and small, bounce it high and watch it fall. Say with me, ball. C is for cat, soft and fun, it says meow when it sees the sun. Say with me, cat. D is for dog, playful too. It wags its tail and barks at you. Say with me, dog. E is for elephant, big and strong, with a trunk that's super long. Say with me, elephant. F is for fish, swimming fast, in the water, splish and splash. Say with me, fish. G is for grapes, purple and green, tasty fruit that keeps us keen. Say with me, grapes. H is for house, cozy and bright, it keeps us safe all through the night. Say with me, house. I is for ice cream, cold and sweet, a yummy, chilly summer treat. Say with me, ice cream. J is for jellyfish, floating slow, glowing softly as they go. Say with me, jellyfish. K is for kite, flying high, colorful shapes in the sky. Say with me, kite. L is for lion, king of the land, with a golden mane so grand. Say with me, lion. M is for monkey, climbing trees, swinging happily with ease. Say with me, monkey. N is for nest, eggs inside, baby birds soon will hide. Say with me, nest. O is for orange, juicy and round, healthy fruit that's easily found. Say with me, orange. P is for penguin, waddling near, sliding on ice with cheer. Say with me, penguin. Q is for queen, wearing her crown, smiling as she walks around town. Say with me, queen. R is for rainbow, colors so bright, painting the sky with light. Say with me, rainbow. S is for sun, shining each day, helping plants grow in every way. Say with me, sun. T is for turtle, slow and small, carrying his home like a ball. Say with me, turtle. U is for umbrella, big and wide, keeps us dry when rain comes outside. Say with me, umbrella. V is for violin, playing a song, music we can sing along. Say with me, violin. W is for whale, splashing the sea, the biggest animal there can be. Say with me, whale. X is for xylophone, ding ding dong, colorful keys to play a song. Say with me, xylophone. Y is for yak, furry and strong, climbing mountains all day long. Say with me, yak. Z is for zebra, black and white, running fast with stripes so bright. Say with me, zebra.